What's good, you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl VD. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Before we get to the video, can we take a moment for this look? Moment of silence, please. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Today we have another very cute unboxing. I am so excited. I would just like to give a big shout out to Babala bags. I think that's how I say it. Babala bags, but I'm just gonna write it on the screen. Babala bags is a Chinese-based company. They sell replica designer bags. They are so cute and affordable. If you guys would like to purchase any, please do check them out. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box from their details and everything. And of course, I have a discount code for you guys. I'm just gonna put it here on the screen because I can't remember it. But if you use this code, you can get 5% off on any purchase of any product on their website. Okay. So let's get to it. So this is, okay, let me even tell you about the bag. So the bag is the Louis Vutton Alma BB bag, and it's quilted. You'll see what I mean, you'll see. So this is the bag. The packaging comes like this. The bag comes in this cute Louis Vuitton bag. I love the packaging so much. And when you open the bag, some ASMR. I always struggle to say that, but ASMR for the babies. So it's closed. This is how the bag looks like inside. And when you open, oh god. The bag comes in. Before we get to the bag, actually, there's a few things in the box. First, you have a Louis Vuitton booklet. I don't know what is in the booklet. I think it's just, I don't know, man, how to take care of the bag, how to clean the bag and all of that. So there's a booklet, and then we have an envelope. What is in the envelope? There's a card, a Louis Vuitton card, and then there's a, I don't know what this is. I really don't know, but it's like a letter or something like that. I don't know, child, but yeah, there's a envelope, and then you have this string. It just says Louis Vuitton. I don't know what this string is. Oh, it's actually two of them. Oh, it's one. I don't know what this string is for. I guess it's just for decoration, or I don't know, but you know, it's the details, darling. And then we get to the bag. So it comes in this Louis Vuitton dust bag. I have opened it, but I haven't like taken off any of the packaging. So ta-da! This is our bag. So I wanted to take out this with you guys. So let's do this because I want to use this bag today. Ooh. Take out these as well. Seriously, this is how our bag looks like. Isn't she so cute? Like, she's giving classy, she's giving lady, she's giving, I don't know, child, but she's just so classy. And when I say quilted, this is how it looks. It has this, it's not like a flat material, it's just, but it's just so stunning. I love the detail. I love everything about this bag. This is how the bottom looks like, and the quality is great as well. This is like such great quality. I like the way, I like the material because it's not like your shiny material. It's just, you know, it's just so cute. And then in the inside you have, oh god, you have like a, what do you call it, like a belt, because you can wear it like as a sling bag. This is how the belt looks like. It just says here Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. Is it Louis Vuitton or Louis Vuitton? I don't know. Then it says here Paris. So you can wear your bag as a sling bag when you're, you know, just running your errands and you don't want to struggle with, you know, just carrying your bag. So it comes with a string. So cute. And then the inside, this is how the inside looks. It's so small, and yet so elegant. Thumbnail. But yeah guys, this is the bag. She's so cute. I love her. If you're a fan of replica bags, I suggest you check them out. So yeah guys, that's it for the unboxing. Thank you so much for watching my video. I do hope that you enjoy this replica bag unboxing. I really love them because like they look so cute, and you know, some people are like, oh my god, you're wearing fake things and whatnot. I'm just like, I still look good, okay? Without breaking my budget. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next one. Remember, everything is in the description box, discount code, their website, and every detail that you might need. If you have anything else that you might need, please do say so in the comment section. I love you guys so much for watching. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next one.